Alright, good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is doing good right now. So, we are back with another live. Let's see how gold behaves here. So, basically, what I'm looking at is for the buy, for a good buy position, but the prices have been just ranging since a while, and now we have start giving some breakouts. Let me explain how. So, we had a support, all right, and we have this rejection. Right now we are in between this level, so basically we are not going to trade in this level, in these between in these levels. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for a breakout above this level, the 45 46. So once that broken up, so we have a huge potential for buys because we have a very good clean range from the left hand side, and it's very good for the buys. If we really look for, let's see how much pips are there. If we take a buy, so we have 260 250 pips easy. So let's wait for this candle to close above. So once that happens, so I'm gonna take a buy. We have 3 minutes left, 3 minutes left for current 15-minute candle to close above this level. So once that happened, we are good to go for some serious buys for 250 pips and above. All right, seems like we are going to break above. Yeah, we have very high probability for price to continue pushing up because we are uh in next 1 2 minutes we are closing above this level. And yeah, let's take a look at the GBGPY in the meantime. All right, let's go for the daily. Daily looks like we are bearish. Yeah, we have created the GBGBI have just created a resistance again on 4 hour time frame. We are losing the bearish volume, but still have a potential to continue pushing down and fill these wicks from the left hand side and be uh retesting this level 211, and then it can continue pushing up after that on 4 hour. This is on the 4 hour time frame for the long term trades. Okay, and on hour, let's see levels on the 1 hour. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good for for the buys above this level. See, if you buy above this level, we have small levels, but they're less confirmation. There's some less confirmation for it, and only 23 pips, but where you're gonna put your stop loss, that's gonna be huge. So for breaking above this, we have almost like 241 pips. All right, so once we break the love, let's see this level. Once we break below this level, it's gonna be very good short position. All right, because we have the wicks to fill here, 30, 40, and eventually we continue pushing down to 100 pips. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good, but we have to wait. It just keeps ranging between these levels. All right. So it's just ranging. Small, it's almost like the 22 pips above, but the stop loss is very good. It's going to be very big. Eventually, or it's going to be one-to-one risk reward on this. But let's get it on the gold. Let's see how that goes. So on the gold, on 1 hour time frame, we have 12 minutes left to current candle to close, and on the 30-minute time frame, we have like, yeah, the same 12 minutes to left for the closure. And also we already have closed the bullish on the 15-minute time frame, but we have to wait, and then we have a very good range. It's going to be an impulse entry during the London session. Yeah, it's going to be the London session where we're going to be securing some good profits. Let's see how that goes. By the way, uh, if you guys aren't like join my Telegram group, so be our guests and secure your seats. We will be sharing every single day the latest updates about the gold and everything else from now on. Okay. Yeah, it looks very good to me. I mean, for the buys, let the candle break the high of the previous one, and once that happens, we're in some buys. Then I'm just waiting for it. I'm just waiting for it. The patience, being patient, is the 50% of the trading. Okay, like the stream, like the stream. If you're active. All right, guys. So once that candle breaks the high, the current 15-minute candle breaks the high, so we are in the buys. Then we are aiming for, you know, at least like 45, 60. Yeah, the 45, 60, aiming for the stop loss for 45, 45. Yeah, this is gonna be our targets for the PNL. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, we are in. We are in this trade. 45, 60, 45, 45. Now let it be. Let's see how that goes now. Now we are in the bias. It supposedly should be a good trade. You see why? Because we have already broken the resistance area. Okay, this resistance area is crucial and so important for it. So like we are okay. If the current 15-minute candle breaks its own low, then we are out of this trade because we don't want to it, because it's gonna be an invalid trade and we're gonna secure some good money. Let's see. See the jump and the volume is coming in. The volume kicks in, it means that we are on the right path, and it keeps breaking its own high. This is a very good sign for having a trade like this. And it's gonna be, I suppose it's gonna be a very good trade. So we're gonna manage the risk also, and we're gonna manage the profits as well. Once we are in, let's say, the 40, 30 pips in the profit, so we're gonna secure some positions. Okay, so we're gonna secure some position uh before it hits like our break even or the take profit. It's still going on. still goes on, so let's see. You see, I'm still in these trades, so if you guys can see, let me make it like, yeah, I'm still on the buys. I am on the buys, if you guys can see clearly. Yeah, this is how it goes. Let me share this on the group. See, this is how we keep you guys updated. Okay, we have 2 minutes left for current 15-minute candle to close, and also the 1 hour and 30-minute. If that closes above, there's a very high chances for continuation. But if the current 15-minute candle closes the lower bullish volume, or it just breaks its own low, then we are out of the trade. We're gonna manage it. These two things, you know, you need to remember when you're trading. Like, you have to make sure that you manages your risk, and you also manage your the profits. All right. So I was in this trade at the 45, 44. Yeah, from here I was on this trade. But if the current 15-minute candle breaks its own low, I'm gonna be out of this trade. No need to be in. But if it continues, that's gonna be a very good sign for the traders. I mean, you can keep your trade on, and aim for the longer. It can go up to like 45, 75, but we are just aiming for 100 pips, 160 pips. Let's see. We have 1 minute left for current 15-minute candle to close. All right. Alright, so 15-minute candle have just closed. The 1 hour is also closed. Yeah, the 30-minute is also closed. It's a very good sign. Now let's making it slow wick, and it will continue pushing up. Yeah, I like that push. I like that push, that how it goes upside. Now, what matters is if this current 15-minute candle, continues and also breaks high of the previous candle. That's a very good sign, and I'm gonna love this trade. And I'm gonna love this trade. That's amazing. See how the volume kick is kicking in. I mean, we already broke above the high of the previous 15-minute candle. That's a very good sign that you can, be in this trade, and it's still very high chances for a continuation. Very high chances for the continuation base. That's an amazing push. That's an amazing push. Like, we are in the profit of, let's see, yeah, we are in the profit of like the 25 pips, but we're gonna wait for at least like 30 to 40 pips to close some partials, and then we're gonna be booking some partials here, like close half of the position or close 90% of the position, and let the rest be running on the break even. It's gonna be a very good trade if we hit the 40 pips in the profit. That's looks good. Now see, for the risk management side, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my stop loss when it just I'm gonna bring my stop loss to the current 15-minute candle. All right, current 15-minute candle's low. So this is how you keep trailing your stop loss. Yeah, that's a very good point to close some partials. At least like let it be till here. Let me put the text was 90% of the rate, 40% profit. Just closed the trade. The 40%, sorry, the 90% I just closed. Yeah, I just closed 90% of my trade on this move. That seems good. That looks good. Amazing. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna do it like, yeah, that's good. I booked some partials already. I booked some partials. Let me share it on the group as well. That's an amazing trade, guys. I mean, I'm gonna bring my stop losses to the break even. I already did. So we just gonna be chilling out and being able to we'll be just watching the trade only, and just observing it. Not doing anything, nothing, just waiting for price to hit the break even or the take profit, because we have already secured some money. I've shared the profits in my channel. If you're not in the channel, if you haven't joined the channel yet, just go. The link is in the description. Go and join my Telegram channel to see the live updates as well. This is live, man. I mean, we just booked some money. That's amazing. I'm gonna bring my take profit to somewhere around the 55. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my take profits here. No more like greed. Already secured some good money. Already, in profit of, uh let's see how much profit we are in. Almost like we have been into the 40-50 pips in the profit already. Now just waiting for price to hit the stop loss, sorry, the break even or the take profit. Let the thing do its way. All right. Amazing move. So we are about to hit our take profit, but I just closed the 100% of my position right now. I've just closed in front of you. See, I just closed the 100% of my position. That's amazing. On live today, straight up the first trade we have took and straight up to the take profit. Straight up to the take profit. I just closed the trade already. Well, that's amazing. Whoever together took the boys live with me, and if you are really need some help like this, the trades like this and trade together, so every single day we will come live. Just join our live stream and we will trade together and book some good profits together. Manages how to manage the risk, how to manage the profits, we will learn that together. All right. So I will highly recommend to join every single day, be active and precise about the trading journey which you have started. Okay, so that's good. That's good. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a look at the fundamental side of the gold right now, because a lot of things are going on uh worldwide. So yeah, just go into the dollar index. Let's take a look at it, how it's just moving. See, it's just fallen down. Why? This is a big correlation between the dollar index and also the gold, because once the dollar is weak, the gold is strong, it will go up. Once the dollar is strong and the gold is going to be weaker, and it's going to be pushing down. So you see that coloration on the daily. Let's go on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's a very good bearish. Well, dollar index on daily time frame, it's bearish. It's just rejecting this area, and that's a very good thing for the gold to continue pushing up, which we have already into the profit. We closed it, but it's gonna be very amazing if uh, you are holding these trades. If you are still holding these trades, it's gonna be amazing. Yeah, let's see how that behaves. I mean, trading is easy, man. Once you have learned the simple things. I mean, once you have learned the simple and effective things, which really happens, without drawing these trend lines, these fancy areas, these FVGs and all that shit. You don't have to do that. If you have learned it, the basic structure, the market structure, it's gonna be enough for your growth, right? So you don't have to like go for some extreme uh the knowledge you have to gain. Like this is gonna be, I don't know why people just go for the run behind the fake gurus, while you can have the same knowledge, reserved for you free on the internet. See, we are almost there, but we are just watching it. I mean, I'm already out of this trade. We made some money. We are already out of this trade, but we have hit our take profit easily. This is the value of when you have like learned the basic structure of the market. You don't go for like behind the fake gurus. You don't have to just waste your time behind them, learning the FVGs, all that shit, the trend lines. That's not gonna take you anywhere. I mean, if you have to learn the trading right, just go for it. I mean, go for the simple things, and for that there's a free knowledge all over the internet, man. You don't have to pay them. You don't have to pay anyone. You just have to go for by yourself, learn the basic market structures, and that's it. That's gonna be it. Like I just came here the 30 minutes ago, live with you guys, took a trade, had a good entry, booked some good profits, booked the partials, now the full position. That's it. Within just 15 minutes, you are done, man. You are done for the day. That's it. Focus on just one trade a day, and that's it. The risk 1%. Now, the risking 1%. is a psychology. Some guys say it's a myth, but it's very easy when you understand the market structure. For example, if you would have like took a trade like here, and you have $1,000. Okay, you would put it the 0.10 lot size. Now you are, putting the stop loss here. Your stop loss is 50 pips, man. 50 pips you have a stop loss, and that's mean the 5% of your account, the $50, right? Now what you will do is wait for the price to continue in your direction. Okay, this is the good point. Once you have, the price is moving into your direction, straight up to your direction, then keep trailing your stop loss below the current the 15-minute candles low. You will be reducing the 50% of the positions risk you have took. Like you were risking for the 5% of your account, now you're risking just 2%, 2.5%. And eventually, for example, now, as looking at the now candle, if you are still into this trade, you could have like moved your stop loss current to the current 15-minute candle low. That's in the profit, man. That's in the plus point. You are in the break even, and also you have booked some partial position. This is how you manage your risk. This is how you manage your profits as well. And I would suggest, see why I said this take profit, because there was a rejection back inside. So it was safe here on the 45.55. We hit the take profit, and that's it. We're just calling it a day. And I'm gonna be heading off in the next 5 minutes. In the next 2 minutes. uh it was a great session. I would recommend come every single day, join our live, and be profitable. That's it. This is how easy it is. This is how easy it is. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna head off and see you guys tomorrow at the same time, the same session. So, hope you guys